Hi guys, this is Shiva. I am going to explain river system of India. Indian river systems broadly divided into Himalayan river system, Peninsular river system. Himalayan river system formed through Himalayan ranges. Peninsular are formed through Deccan Plateau and Central Islands. Flows deep V-shaped valleys called gorges. Flows in comparatively shallow valleys. These are perennial in nature, which means water flows throughout the year. Receives water only in rainy seasons. Himalayan river systems flows across the young fold mountains, which means before 50 million years ago, there is a Indian plateau, Indian plate, and Eurasia plate. A big collision took place. Due to that, the Himalayan and Tibetan plateau formation took place, flowing one of the oldest plateau of the world. Himalayan rivers forms big deltas. Some of peninsular rivers also form big deltas, Narmada and Tapi rivers. This is the Ganga river system. The origin of Ganga river. When two rivers met at a place which is known as confluence, Alakananda river and Dhauli Ganga, which meet at a place which is known as Vishnu Prayag. This is Sangam, which is also known as confluence. Then this river is known as Alkananda. Again Alkananda met with Pindar river. This is Kanha Sangam, and again this is known as Alkananda. When this Alkananda met with Mandakini river, which is known as Rudraprayag, which is also a confluence. When Alkananda, this is also Alkananda, met with Bhagirathi river, this is Devprayag. When Bhagirathi and Alaknanda met at a place Devprayag, this leads to formation of river Ganga. Ganga river system. Ganga originates as Bhagirathi from Gangotri glacier in Uttarakashi district of Uttarakhand. Alaknanda joins Bhagirathi at Devprayag. This is Devprayag. Alaknanda joins with Bhagirathi. It's joined by the Yamuna at Allahabad. This is Yamuna river. Here at Allahabad, Ganges river joins with tributary of Yamuna. At Farakka, it bifurcates into Bhagirathi, Hooghly in West Bengal, and Padma Meghna in Bangladesh. Tributaries of Yamuna river. This is the Yamuna river, met at a place Allahabad with Ganges river. Yamuna river is the most of them except Yamuna originates in peninsular region. Largest and most important tributary of the northern states. Originates from Yamunotri glacier in Bhadrapunj peak in Garhwal region, Uttarakhand. It cuts across the Nagtibha, the Mussoorie and the Shikhwalik ranges. In Chambal, its tributaries of Yamuna tributaries are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. This is the Chambal river, which is originated in Central Islands. Chambal tributaries are Parvati, Kalsindh, Banas River. Tributaries of Chambal River, Yamuna River. Chambal River is a tributary of Yamuna River. Chambal River rises in the highlands of Janapo Hills in the Vindhya ranges. This is the ranges of Vindhya. It flows through the Malwa Plateau. It joins Yamuna in the Etawah district of Uttar Pradesh. The river flows much below its banks due to the severe erosion because of poor rainfall and numerous deep ravines formed in the Chambal Valley. Sindh River. Sindh River is this is the Sindh River. Again, it is a tributary of Yamuna River. Sindh originates in Vindhya Plateau, Vidisha Plateau, of Madhya Pradesh. It flows for a distance of 450 kilometers before it joins in Yamuna River. This is Sindh River. This is Sindh River. This is Vidisha Plateau. Betwa River. Here it is Betwa River, tributary of Yamuna too. Betwa River in Bhopal district of Madhya Pradesh. It's also formed in Vindhya range and joins Yamuna in Hamirpur. Its total length is 590 kilometers, and the Dhanshan is the most important tributary of Betwa River. K9 Son River. This is Ken River, tributary of Yamuna. This is Son River. This is Ken. This is Son Rivers. The Ken River rising from Barner range of Madhya Pradesh and joins in Yamuna near Chila. The Son River rises in Amarkantak Plateau. Its source is close to the origin of Narmada. It passes along the Kaimur range and joins in the Ganga near the Dhanapur in Patna district of Bihar. Important tributaries of Tron are Sonar, Johila, the Gopat, Rihan, the Kanha, and the North Koil. This is Damodar River. Here it is Damodar. Damodar River rises in the hills of Chota Nagpur Plateau and flows through the Rift Valley. Its length is 541 kilometers, rich in mineral resources because of these iron-rich areas. The valley is home to large-scale mining and industrial activities, and tributaries of Damodar River is Barakar, Konar, Bokaro, Haharo, etc. Barakar is the most important tributary of Damodar. Several dams also constructed in this Damodar River. The first dam is built in Barakar River, is tributary of the Barakar River. It joins the Hooghly River, which is 48 kilometers below the Kolkata. Tributaries of Ganga. This is Ram Ganga River, which is up to now we have discussed from southern tributaries. This is the northern tributaries. Ram Ganga River rises in Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. This is a place, Garhwal district, a place where the most of the rivers formation took place. It enters the Ganga plain near Kalagar. It joins Ganga at Kanauj. This is Ghagra river, joins Ganges river. This is main tributary of Ganga river, Ghagra river. Its source is near Gurla Mandaka plateau, south of Mansarovar in Tibet. Its important tributaries are Sarda and the Sarju and the Rapti river. Ghagra joins in the Ganga a few kilometers downstream of Chapra in Bihar. After reaching the plain area, this stream is divided into many branches, which is Koryab and the Garma are the main branches which are divided through these speedy divisions. The river bed is sandy and sudden bends it start occurrence in the stream. Due to this deformation, some debris, sandy places took place. The river has a high flood frequency and shifted its course into several times. Bihar and some other places also flooded due to this Ghagra river. This is the Kali river. This is Nepal. This is India. Near this place, the Kali river formation took place. Rises in the high glaciers of Trans Himalayas. It forms the boundary between the Nepal and Kumaon. It's known as the Sarda after the reaches the plains near Tanakpur. It joins in the Ghagra river, Kali river. This is the Gandak river. Originates near Tibet and Nepal borders at a height of 7620 meters. It receives the large number of tributaries in the Nepal Himalaya. Its important tributaries are Kali, Gandak and Mayaghadi and Bauri and Trishuli. It flows into Ganga at Hajipur in Bihar. Burhi Gandak river. This is a tributary to the Gandak river. Originates from western slopes in Somesar hills near Indo-Nepal borders. It joins Ganga near Mongyot town. The Koshi river. This is a Koshi river where 7 river tributaries met at a place at Triveni. From there, this is known as Triyuga. These 7 rivers tributaries known as Saptakoshi. Also, this known as Koshi river in India. Koshi river consists of 7 streams, namely Sutkoshi, Tambakoshi, Talkha, Dudkoshi, Botiakoshi, Arun and Tambar, popularly known as Saptakoshi. These streams flows through the eastern Nepal, which is known as Saptakaushik region. Source of 7 streams of Koshi are located in snow-covered areas. Also receive heavy rainfall. Due to this rainfall, in 2020 there is a big floods took place in Bihar state. 7 streams mingle with each other and to form a 3 streams named as Tumar, Arun and Sunkoshi. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel